guys, Chief Monster back to talk about our Monster Makeover paints today. And did you know that we are the specialists in white paint in Australia? We have our Monster 20 whites, but we can actually match up to 20,000 different whites that are out in the marketplace. So you can choose from our Monster whites. You can get a sample card with all our 20 whites on there, the most popular grades in the country. Or if you've got a paint that you want from another brand, let us know, we can match it and deliver it to you. But today I'm going to talk about our makeover paint because the Monster 20 and our makeover paints in general are low odour. They're eco-friendly. They've got a mould and a fungi inhibitor built into the paint. Got a nice deep body opacity grade that will give you good coverage. You can use it in bathrooms and wet areas in kitchens, and we have various sheens available for you. So the way Monster works, you can get a sample pot, ordered, delivered to you at home, or you can actually go straight and buy the paint delivered to you, ready to do your job on the weekend. But I'm going to show you how these paints work now and how the different whites look. So check this out. So this is how we work with our Monster Makeover paints. As I said, the sample pots are the way to go to give that a trial. You can imagine putting these up on a wall. A sample pot will go to almost a square metre on your wall, so you get a nice area to compare to on your wall before you go with the finish effect, and make a great selection for your renovation or your DIY project. If you'd like to know more, check out with our Monster crew. Call that number now, and don't forget to get on the All About Paint and DIY Facebook group page, where you can get all the details on the Monster paints, how to buy your paints, and tips to ensure your job is done the way you want it. I'll see you next time.